Hello guys, Katrina Crystal Vlogs here from VANLIFE Philippines. Another weekend episode with me again. Yes, I'm in Bijao, Darwin again. It's like my sanctuary, but safe and quiet. After filming my plumbing system episode, I had this urge to take on the high road and go back to Bijao. I can feel it's calling me. We arrived here at around 4 p.m. already. The place was packed with local tourists and day campers. And it was fogging when we get there. It was so nice. At nighttime, we were so glad we had the place all to ourselves. So we had dinner. We were so glad there's piece of Wi-Fi. We watched Netflix all night and just got lazy in the bed in the cold weather.
Morning guys. Recently ordered this one. So whenever there's when it's windy, the wind won't. I won't be bothered by the wind. So and I also have this new addition here. And then I'm feeling a mix. Oh my gosh, it's fogging na guys. It's starting to fog. Let me show you. Imagine, huh? ikaw tiwas ani day big kay hiun kay ko day. Okay guys, it is really cold out here. That if you can see that, that's a store. There's already a store here. Just an update of Bijao. So they already have a public bathroom over here. And they have, the store also has a piso Wi-Fi. Good thing because the signal here isn't so, isn't so good. So it's a really good thing. And piso Wi-Fi, if you're familiar with piso Wi-Fi, so cheap, very affordable. So right now, it's really cold here. I should get my jacket. And the tent looks good, by the way. It looks really good. But I don't know. For sure, we're gonna cramp in here inside again. And you know, Bijao is very close to Dumaguete. It's like 18 minutes. No, 30 minutes. So 15 to Darwin, and then 15 up. It's nice. Look at that. I can see the Dumaguete lights. I don't have that really great camera, really good camera to show those lights. Tagal. What took them so long? It took so long to get to register for the piso Wi-Fi. Anyway, I'm talking gibberish. Whatever.